This is where the market has been building liquidity. This is where, if the bears want to be retesting, they want it to be building liquidity on the way down there. So now you see that the magenta is already starting to rebuild some liquidity here. Starting to show some selling at the magenta, isn't it? But you just have to be careful for now, because remember I talked about this orange. You remember this orange? See for yourself how this orange bounced back up. It's still a buying continuation structure. You cannot be complacent. It's still a buying continuation structure. So pay close attention to that. If it wants to buy up and you see the squeeze happening in that green for 2 days, it was very enjoyable, because you can very safely allow your calls or your long positions to just run, because it's in the strongest identified algorithm right there. So firstly, before this break, you have to first wait for the orange to break. So if the market is kind, we break it early, right? So you pay close attention to that.